Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to make this rich beet and fenugreek oil for your hair. Summertime is near, and just like your skin, your hair needs sun protectant too. This recipe is also really great for restoring lost and weakened hair. The ingredients you'll need for this is 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder, or you can mash up a whole beet, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, 2 cups of coconut oil, the essential oil of your choice, I chose peppermint oil, and 1 cup of grapeseed oil. Heat the powder in the pot for a few seconds, then add in all of your oils and let it simmer on low heat. Then all you have to do is just store the oil in a cool, dark place and apply it when desired. Coconut oil can help repair your split ends. It contains a lot of vitamins and fatty acids. It can help fight dandruff, strengthen the cuticle, tame your frizz, and offers UV ray protection. Grapeseed oil is lightweight. It adds moisture, strength, and shine to your hair. It contains powerful antioxidants to help your hair grow. It also fights frizz. I know. It soothes and blocks your split ends, reduces dandruff, strengthens your weak and brittle hair, soothes your scalps, and also protects your hair against the UV rays. As far as the peppermint oil goes, it helps increase the circulation and blood flow to your scalp, which in turn helps to promote hair growth. Fenugreek prevents hair loss, it revives your damaged hair, fights dandruff, controls your scalp inflammation, adds shine and soft texture. It contains vitamins A, B1, and C, and also amino acids. It improves your shine, strength, and thickness, protects your hair from pollution, and it conditions and softens your hair. Finally, beetroot prevents your hair loss, it strengthens your hair follicles, treats dandruff, relieves itchy scalps. It has abundance of calcium, phosphorus, vitamins A, B, and C, iron, magnesium, folate, potassium electrolytes. It promotes your hair growth, prevents breakage, it increases the circulation to your hair follicles, it gives your hair an antioxidant boost, adds extra hydration and shine for dry hair, and it also protects your hair from UV rays. So this is like your sunscreen for your hair. Con for using beetroot: because it's so deep and rich in color, it will give your hair a reddish hue if you have lighter hair. I have dark hair, so it doesn't really matter for me. Just be mindful of that if you have dyed hair or really light hair. But it's temporary, so it's not permanent. So what I do is just my normal hair care routine of detangling, washing, whatever. And I apply it to my scalp along with the conditioner I normally use, and I keep it braided and tied up so my daughter doesn't rip at my edges, which she's been doing, which is why I have to use this. So use it whichever way you want, and hopefully it works out for you. Have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon whenever you're watching, and I will see you lovely next time. Yes.